India mourns the loss of Dr. Manmohan Singh, a visionary economist and statesman who passed away at the age of 92. His journey from a humble background to becoming the architect of India's economic renaissance is a testament to his brilliance and dedication. He held numerous key positions in the Government of India, including Chief Economic Advisor, RBI Governor, and Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission. As RBI Governor, he spearheaded significant legal reforms in the banking sector, including establishment of the Urban Banks Department. As a finance minister, he played a crucial role in India's economic liberalization in 1991, which included rupee devaluation, tariff reduction, privatization and end of license Raj. His tenure as Prime Minister was marked by unprecedented economic growth that positioned India as one of the fastest growing major economies. He introduced landmark reforms like MG Narega, the Right to Information Act and the Right to Education Act. He also negotiated the historic Indo-US Civil Nuclear Agreement, ending decades of nuclear isolation for India. His legacy extends beyond his political career. His emphasis on inclusive growth, poverty alleviation and fostering global trade partnerships turned India into an emerging powerhouse.